Hello friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today we are going to study problems in combination of forces. First problem, consider two identical simple pendulum of mass m and charge q are suspended from a support. Find the equilibrium separation. Here the figure like this, that is two identical simple pendulum of charge q, mass m, length l. We know that after some time, because of this forces on this pendulums, there is an equilibrium separation d, theta, and we know that the forces experiences on a pendulum, that is there is a repulsion due to charges, that is F is equal to kq square divided by d square. We know that the Coulomb's law, that is product of charges and inversely proportional square of distance, that is kq square divided by d square. And also we know that the string in which it experiences a tension is always away from the body, and we know that there is a theta separation, means here theta means here also theta, okay, and the component, that is t cos theta, here t sin theta, and also it experiences a weight mg because it has a mass m. So after some time it is equilibrium, means the net force acting on this mass, that is 0. So we consider that Fx equal to 0 and Fy is equal to 0. Fx equal to 0 means the horizontal force is 0, that is t sin theta is equal to kq square divided by d square, and Fy is equal to 0 means t cos theta divided by mg, t cos theta equal to mg. After getting these two equations, 1 divided by 2 means tan theta is equal to kq square divided by mg d square. Tan theta can be approximated to sin theta for small angle. So sin theta is equal to kq square divided by mg d square. From that we know that sin theta in the figure, sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse, that is d by 2 divided by L, that is d by 2L. Substituting d by 2L is equal to kq square divided by mg d square. From that we get that d is equal to 2 kq square L divided by mg all power 1 by 3. This is the equilibrium separation in this question. In this question, consider two identical masses with the charge q suspended from a support as shown. Due to mutual repulsion, the particles are moving away with the speed v. Find the leakage of charge, means dq by dt. Consider the figure, that is we know that here also the weight mg acting downward, and also tension t, and t cos theta here, t sin theta here, and also repulsion force, that is kq square by x square. X is the distance between the two masses. Okay, from that we know that equilibrium, so t cos theta is equal to mg, t sin theta is equal to kq square divided by x square. After dividing this by this, that is tan theta is equal to kq square divided by x square mg. Tan theta is equal to sin theta, that is sin theta is equal to kq square divided by x square mg. From the figure we know that the sin theta, that is here it is x by 2 divided by L, means x by 2L. Sin theta is equal to x by 2L. So substituting x by 2L is equal to kq square divided by x square mg. From that we know that we have to find q. So q square is equal to x cube mg divided by 2lk. After q is equal to x cube mg divided by 2lk all power 1 by 2. And we know that here in the question, that is they are asked to find the leakage of charge, that is dq by dt, that is these are constant, that is under root mg by 2lk. Here x cube all power 1 by 2 means x power 3 by 2. Derivative with respect to time means 3 by 2 x power 1 by 2 dx by dt. So dx by dt, that is v. So this is the answer. Here it is x power n form, that is x power n form, that is nx raised to n minus 1. So here is 3 by 2 x power 1 by 2. This is the answer for this question. Thank you for watching.